So Nina Czegledy is the co-chair of Laser Toronto and Montreal, and she does everything Leonardo for many years. And she was also co-chair together with me of the Leonardo Education Art Forum.
The very beginnings.
Very beginning, yes.
So I will not show anything about my own work or anything about my other activities. I would like to actually show the work which Roberto Buoni, my co-chair in Toronto, has sent. So this is the Fields Institute in Toronto, which is an independent research institute of mathematics and physics, but connected to the University of Toronto. And this is actually from the event which we did together with the Faculty of Theatre, the drama, Digital Drama Lab, where we brought together, the theme was energy, and we had physicists and also performance artists. And the performance artists gave talks in the Fields Institute, and the physicists gave talks. They are very close together in the drama lab, and in between we had mini performances walking from one building to another. And I don't really know which one is this one now, but this is the Field Institute where we have one of them, because they didn't show this to me, they just sent it to me. And this is about artificial intelligence and visual interpretations. And this is from Montreal, and we work with Hexagram, which is an art and science research network. And this is the first laser we did in Montreal. I have to tell you that because Montreal especially is bilingual, Canada is bilingual, but in Montreal several of the lasers are conducted in French, which sometimes causes little problems. Or actually in North America you don't say problems, challenges. And this is a very interesting one because this was a reenaction of a performance in the snow, and this was the first such performance in actually not only Montreal in Canada, which was not in a theater, but it was outside, and it was in 1949, and Françoise, who is now 90-some years old, and she's a brilliant lady, and she participated when we talked about this performance. And this is the one I talked during the day. This is about multisensory perception. And this gentleman here, the white-haired gentleman, is David Hawkes, who is a very famous author on sensory perception. And beside him is a choreographer, Armando, who talked about the sensory perception of touch. And we have someplace Jean Gagnon. He was the one who was a tango dancer. And this one is actually on October the 6th, and this was a Leonardo 50th and laser combination. And we are having here a round table with Roger Molina and Louis Poisson, and I'm sorry, I forgot his name. He is Saudi Abrim. And it was about interdisciplinary education and the impact of AI on education. And thank you so much.